Hey everyone, let's get real. Crypto can feel a bit mysterious. You know, all those blockchain things, the codes, the keys, it can be intimidating. And one of the biggest questions I see popping up is, do I need to show my ID to even use crypto? Specifically, do you need ID to open a Beam wallet? Now, before we dive in, let's understand why this question matters. Privacy is huge in the crypto world. Many people choose crypto because it offers more control over their financial data. So, the idea of needing to hand over your ID might be a deal breaker for some. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Do you need ID to open a Beam wallet? The short answer is no. Exploding head. Beam is designed with privacy in mind. It utilizes a technology called Mimblewimble, which makes transactions incredibly private. This means you can send and receive Beam without revealing your identity to anyone. Pretty cool, right? So, how does it work? When you create a Beam wallet, you don't need to link it to any personal information. You generate a unique set of keys, and those keys are all you need to access your funds. It's like having a secret digital vault, and only you hold the key. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what about regulations? Won't I get in trouble for using something so anonymous? Well, it's a bit more nuanced than that. While Beam prioritizes privacy, it's important to be aware of the regulations in your country. In most cases, using Beam for personal transactions is perfectly legal. However, it's always a good idea to do your own research and understand the legal implications in your specific jurisdiction. Let's talk about the benefits of this privacy-focused approach. Imagine a world where you have more control over your financial data. You can make transactions without worrying about third parties tracking your every move. This can be incredibly empowering, especially in a world where data privacy is increasingly under threat. Of course, privacy isn't the only thing Beam offers. It's also incredibly fast and has low transaction fees. But the focus on privacy is definitely a standout feature. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.